my channel, All Up in Your Melon. I'm Lauren Boucher, and today I will be making caramel apples. I'm so excited. Caramel apples are the thing I look forward to most when going to a fair. And I mean, who doesn't like caramel? And I've never made it before. Oh shoot, butter. I forgot about butter. Okay. A little bit of butter. First, I am gonna heat up water, and so what you need to do is you need to dip these apples in hot water and wipe all the water off with a towel so that you can get the wax off so the caramel stays. So first I'm gonna heat up some water. I guess you can use almost boiling, but I figure I'll just boil some water. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna put all the ingredients into this pot and then we'll go to the stove and I'll show you how to cook it. So first, what do you need? You need some apples, obviously. I'm gonna use chopsticks because I don't have skewers. Little pastry brush to brush the sides of the pot when you cook it. Measuring cups, measuring spoons. And the ingredients to make the caramel are brown sugar, cream, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, salt, corn syrup, and butter. And vanilla. And that's it. I don't think it should be too hard. I'm very excited. Okay, so first you need 2 cups of brown sugar. And this recipe makes about 10 apples, but I don't need 10 apples, and I guess you can just make little caramel candies. So that is what I'm gonna do with the majority of the leftover caramel. So first, 2 cups of brown sugar. You're supposed to pack it down, and I don't really think it matters if it's light or dark brown sugar. It doesn't make a difference in this recipe. At this point, I'm wondering if I just half the recipe. You know what? I'm just gonna half it. I don't need 2 full cups of caramel. Okay, my water is boiling, so I'm going to dip the apples and get all the wax off. So I guess you dip it for 10 seconds. Yeah, it feels way less waxy. All right, look at the difference. You can tell by the feel of it. All right, we got some clean, de-waxed apples. Just gonna stab this guy in there. All right, stab this guy in there. Perfect. They're a little long, but it works. Okay, back to the recipe. So 2.5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm using unsalted butter. 3/4 cup of cream. Are you supposed to shake these? I never know. I really never knew there was cream in caramel. I saw recipes with condensed milk. So I guess that's also an option. So we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, so it's perfect. That was a healthy 1/4. And then we need 1/2 cup of corn syrup. Oh my gosh. Imagine if I put the full cup in. Wow, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay, and then you put the vanilla in last. All right, I'm gonna meet you over to the stove and we will start cooking this. I am going to turn the stove on to medium-low heat and start stirring with a wood spoon. And basically you stir until the butter is melted. So the butter has melted, so I'm gonna let it sit and bubble. This needs to get to 235 to 240. I hope this thermometer goes up that high. I don't want to burn the caramel. All right, 5 more degrees. Okay, it reached 235. I'm gonna turn it off, take it off the heat, and I'm gonna let it cool for 10 minutes. Basically get the temperature down to 160 and then I'll be ready to dip the apples. So the caramel has cooled for like 3 minutes, so I'm gonna pour in a 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla for a little extra flavor. Oh geez, this is cooling off very fast. Oh no, actually it's, wow. Ooh. I've never had this much caramel in front of me at once. It smells so good. So I'm gonna use parchment paper and first cut off a small one for the 2 apples, and then I'm gonna put a bigger one and make like a little chunk. Okay, so you're supposed to wait until the caramel goes to about 190. We're at 180, so we are right in the range. And all you do is you just dip it in. So the traditional caramel apple is with Granny Smith's, but I didn't buy any and I just bought these from the grocery store. And it's sticking to the apple, so I'm pumped. Well, it's kind of sticking to the apple. Oh yeah, this is a good one. All right, it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna put it on this piece of parchment and hope it doesn't stick. It's not quite as thick as I thought it would be. It almost looks like marble or something. I just want to try this spoon. What else can I dip in caramel? Chocolate. Let me see if I have some chocolate. Well, I don't have any chocolate. I'm gonna try this pretzel. Holy shit. Don't even. These pretzels from Trader Joe, pretzel sticks, honey wheat. If you haven't tried them, it's the time. And honestly, make this caramel recipe and dip them in that. Wow. 10 out of 10. Also, do not use a pastry brush. Not necessary. Still can't tell if that's gonna stick or not. Oh yeah. Ooh, that table's hot. These apples are a bit drippy, I'm gonna say. So I think the caramel's probably supposed to be thicker than mine was. I don't know if that takes more time. I don't know, but I'm gonna let this cool for like 10-15 minutes and then I'll come back, take a bite of this apple. Okay, so this is not quite hardened yet. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of this apple, get some of the caramel that fell off, and I'll let you know what I think. Oh my god, best caramel I've ever had. Holy moly. I mean, I'm a sweet apple person anyway. This is a Macoun, my grandmother's favorite apple. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, this is 10 out of 10. You gotta go make this. Happy October. It's perfect for this month. Halloween. It's perfect for everything. I'm gonna probably end up just cutting this into little squares and then giving it away to people because I can't have too much caramel in my house. And apparently if you do want to get rid of the bubbles, you can use a hair blow dryer to make it look better. I don't know. I don't have a hair blow dryer. I don't have a heat gun, so I will not be doing that. Anyway, definitely try this recipe out. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day or evening. Definitely be making this one again.